Hi everyone, my name is Andrew, and today we are diving deep into setting up VR hand component for Unreal Engine 5 using head-mounted VR plugin. In this video we will explore why this component is a game changer for your projects. You might be wondering, why should I use this component in the first place? The answer is really simple. It simplifies the development. It automates complex tasks by making them easier. It makes the development more efficient by reducing the number of parameters and removing unnecessary components. Therefore, you have less time on tweaking and more time on creating content. The long story short, it's faster, it's better, and more efficient to use. So let's get started. Let's set up your project. First, ensure you have downloaded the latest version of the head-mounted VR plugin. Open Unreal Engine 5. Go to the settings and the tab menu, then select plugins. In the search bar, type head-mounted VR. Enable it. Next, search for OpenXR and OpenXR hand tracking. Enable both of these. These plugins are important. Now restart Unreal Engine to apply the changes. Now let's create our VR hand component blueprint. We have two options. Option 1, create a new blueprint derived from VR hand component. Option 2, use the existing blueprint from the demo content folder. Using the existing blueprint is quicker, but for this tutorial we will create one from scratch to understand each step. Next, we will add a VR hand component to your VR player. Open VR player blueprint, search for hand class, and select your blueprint. Time to customize the appearance. Inside your VR hand component blueprint, in the Details panel, under the Visualization category, you will find several options. Hand Mesh. Here you can assign a skeletal mesh for your hand. You can use the default one or your custom hand mod. Hand Collision Mesh. Includes only the hand's body. We will set up fingers later. Let's now move on to animations. Animation blueprint is the obvious thing, since non-VR hand will work without it. Animation blueprint must be a child of specific VR hand animation instance class. For this video I'm going to open the existing animation blueprint of RoboHand. There are a lot of basic things like open, close, stretch, poses. The most important thing that is going on here is IK and anim states. For IK, the hand uses line traces for each finger. Each finger's rotation varies from range 0 to 1. So for hand finger tracking and finger IK we need to blend the animations by rotation values. The animation state machine is used for static animations, nothing really special. Okay, let's assign the animation blueprint to real hand mesh and fake hand mesh. Now we know the fundamentals of the finger IK. We can proceed. We need to specify open-closed animations and number of segments for traces. The automated algorithm will save the positions of each finger at certain value, depending on the number of segments. It will not just save the bone position, but the tip socket position, which we will specify later in the skeleton settings. A value of 5 segments is a good value, so I prefer to leave it as it is. We also can set capsule radius to define the thickness of the IK traces. Saved values can be viewed at finger positions array. All the changes are applied automatically when one of the parameters is changed. To be sure of that, we also can press around the fingers IK setup button. For accurate interactions, proper finger collision is essential. Place finger start and finger tip sockets on the skeletal mesh with the start and tip of each finger. As I guide the collision capsules for each finger. The socket names can be changed. Now let's look at the physics for realistic hand behavior. There are a lot of settings which are similar to the physics constraint ones, but the most important one is a drag curve. This curve manages how constraints behave based on the distance between the hand and controller. VR hand component suffers additional features, such as pull grab. Pull grab allows you to grab objects from a distance. It suffers two types: gravity pull, which is similar to the Half-Life Alyx, and direct pull, which is similar to Boneworks. So there you have it, an easy setup for the VR hand component in Unreal Engine 5 using the head-mounted VR plugin. If you find the guide helpful, please like the video, share it with others who might benefit. Thanks for watching.